Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So, guys, we have some amazing news fresh out of the press about our Play United Wholesale Mortgages with ticker symbol UWMC. So, listen, guys, I know I just did a video. I'm gonna sound like a guy who just repeats the same thing, but you know what? There's these great news I want to share immediately with you. The earnings came out today, and as I had predicted on my previous videos, guys, and if you got in, congratulations, because we're on the path, I believe personally, to some really juicy profits and dividends, guys, because I'll be announcing today what came out of that and what were the results. You'll want to listen to this video all the way, guys. So now, for those new to the channel, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate PC gamer. And I also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and passion with like minds like yourselves. So that being said, please demolish that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Guys, I really appreciate that. So take that extra second to hit that like button. Takes a lot of time to do this and helps the algorithm for me in this YouTube. So now let's get right to it. All right, guys, look at this. Beautiful. As I had shared with you guys on my previous videos, the CEO had told us guys in advance that they were going to have the most amazing quarter, but also he would be announcing the dividends. And you know what? He came through for us, guys. Look at this. For the full year 2020 results, $1.37 billion for the fourth quarter of 2020 net income, and declares first regular quarterly dividend of 10 cents per share. So that's going to be 40 cents per year per share, guys. So if you got it at a cheap price of $9.20 per share, the price, well, you're going to be in for a nice portfolio, guys. That's a really nice move right there. So let's look at a closer here. What does that exactly mean? So they're the number one wholesale mortgage lender in America. Today announced the Q4 2020. So they reported a net income of $1.37 billion, and for the full year 2020, listen to this, a net income of $3.38 billion, guys. That's an 821% and a 715% increase of Q4 19. And for the full year of 2019, guys, that is just huge, guys. I haven't seen a company yet that has been doing that. I mean, they're not in the $1 million, they're in the $1 billion, guys. So this is really hard to get through this, especially in the mortgage right now. I've seen a lot of other, decreases, and actually even not as big as this one. This is phenomenal, guys. They have been doing an amazing job, and they declared the 10 cents per share, guys. So that's outstanding, and that's going to be payable on April 6th. So what do you think is going to happen now, guys? A lot of people were going to want to have their dividends paid, right? So what do you think is going to happen right now to the price? I'm hoping, anything can happen, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of people who are going to want to invest into this. Like I told you guys, they're going to want to add this to their portfolios so they start having dividends. So some of them are going to keep it moving forward for the full year and years to come, and some other ones are just going to wait for April 6th to cash in the dividend, and then boom, there's going to be a sell-off. Doesn't matter, guys, because we're still going to pick up that, and we're going to buy those dips because it's amazing. Again, that's not an advice, that's just my personal opinion, and I like this. All right, guys, so listen, that was the news. Let's look at the charts. All right, listen, guys, they're currently sitting at $11.38. That was up a huge 10% on the day. And look at this post-market. As soon as they got the earnings out and they declared the dividends, it's up 2.28%. I'm expecting probably, a slight green on tomorrow or a big one. If it is red, I'm just gonna buy more shares. That's a definitely. If it falls below $11 for me at this point moving forward, it's a no-brainer. Especially the warrants, I'm gonna look into those actually. I'd love to add to my portfolio as well. So that being said, look at this, guys. There's clearly been a reversal here. The biggest dip, as we had already spoken, it's right here, and it immediately found a lot of buyers at $9 right here, guys, and it bounced immediately. As you can see, definitely here the curve, there's a reversal. Immediately here, it was consolidating for quite a bit of time, and then boom, just exploded recently. And as I said, that was a build up towards the earnings, guys. So it was very logical. Everything was well set up, guys. That's why I did videos before. So I wanted you guys to be aware of this, and hopefully you make your own decisions, but to get in, guys, especially at the $9, you guys or would be up actually right now of $2.30 more or less, which if you have like 500 shares or more, that's just nuts. A lot of money in there, right? So awesome, guys. So let's look closely here. As I said, the resistance level, we're going to be at $11.15. And if that broke and hopefully some consolidation, then the next one to break is 11.49 cents, which they actually did dip upwards. But look at this, it's sold off immediately and now it's trying to re-challenge that one. Okay, so tomorrow what's going to be key, it's definitely to break this wall here. Okay, and it's okay if we don't, but I want to see this stock just dive in here, guys, you know, beautifully here, bouncing on and back, and then in 1 day to 3 days, boom, explode this thing. Okay, post market, it seems that it's exploding in it, and it's probably more or less right here already. But you know, some people will take profits, you know, they don't know that this will be a great investment, and it's okay if it sells off, guys. Just gives another opportunity for those that didn't get in to get in. But let's face it, this is will explode, okay, at this point. And the analyst, like I told you in my previous video, it's $12.50 at the very least. I think this is worth more than that, 15 bucks at least, and we might see that this actually as a momentum and towards the end of the year for sure. Best case scenario, like I already said to a lot of guys here who asked me the question, if it really does amazing, guys, and it destroys again the next earnings expectations, then this could actually go towards the $18 to $20 mark. Okay, so those are my comments, guys. I just wanted to get you this really as quickly as possible. I was very happy when I saw this because, you know, I've been sharing all my thoughts on this. And that being said, guys, let me know what you think below here. Did you get in, and are you aligned with my thoughts? So leave the comments below. And that being said, please smash that like button, really helps, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Have an amazing evening, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.